What up, though? Thank y'all for signing in. Thank you for going through everything what y'all went through to get here. And you're here. Tech Hustles Playground. I'm your boy Bino, and I'm about to show you how to use Ninja Pinner. Ninja Pinner is pretty dope. It shows you how to get traffic through SEO. SEO, search engine optimization, and it's basically when you type your name in on Google, you the first person to come up. So I'm gonna show you what Ninja Pinner is all about and why you should use it and why I use it and what it does for me and how it gets my traffic up. So check this out. Right here, right? This is all my analytics. What all I've been doing since I've been using Ninja Pinner. You can tell, looking from October 19th all the way to today. Look, I wasn't using Ninja Pinner, right? I'm getting a couple of impressions. This is what I'm looking at, is called impressions. Impressions is the amount of people that's coming to your page, the amount of people that you getting to visit your page, right? So I started using Ninja Pinner. Watch how this shit start going up. Look, on November 6th, first day I started using it, I started getting mad impressions. People start coming there. Look, 858. I didn't use it these couple days, then I started using it back again. Look where I'm at. 1,008 impressions. That's crazy. Now look at this. And it shows you throughout the time what I've been doing. Look at this. It's crazy. Up 665% just by me using this. This is crazy. Now let me go down here and it shows you the pins, right? These are the impressions that your pins are getting. Now what I didn't know, and it was what I wasn't paying attention to, let me take you to this page. What I thought the game was this is my board. These are all my boards. What I thought the game was is you come in and you create a bunch of different boards with thousands of different pins in it. Like this one I had, look how many pins I put in this one. I put 8,233 pins of just random different stuff about African culture and stuff like that, right? Which I thought that's how I was getting the traffic. But no, that's not how it works. Let me show you what you're supposed to be doing. Now what you're supposed to be doing with Pinterest, what they into this. Let me go back to the feed. It's this right here. They're into your organic, your posts, right? Your posts, your pins. They want to see your pins. I'm gonna keep on coming back to this page so you guys can get an understanding on how this thing goes before I start showing you how it works. They worrying about your pins. These are my pins right here. Pins that I posted. I'm gonna go to my page and show you. These are all my created pins, right? Pins that I created. Now look, see that number? That's the impression. These are different impressions throughout the times that I'm doing it. Now if y'all are on this and y'all looking at this, y'all already know what I'm talking about. We don't really have to go so far, because that means you already purchased Ninja Pinner, so you already know what's going on, right? So I don't have to do too much explaining. But look at this. I got 15 impressions. 10 impressions. That stuff go to adding up, right? Go to adding up. These are all the different things that I posted, right? So now, so what this does is, you're saying, why do I do this, right? Why am I posting all these pictures? Because these are organic SEO pictures. And what happens is, say we're gonna click on this. We click on this, then we click on the link, right? Where does it take you to? Shout out to everybody. Make sure you connect to my Patreon, right? It take you straight to my Patreon, and boom, you can unlock it. And then you know what I'm saying? You going straight to my Patreon, and now that could be your website that you selling. You know what I mean? That's a website that you selling that you can make some money. So it's all about SEO. SEO, search engine optimization. Make a long story longer, at the end of the day, this is what we doing. Putting posts on Pinterest, posting a picture, And on the back end, we're gonna send it, put a website on the end of it, and it's gonna send you to that website. When you send it to that website, whatever you're selling or whatever you're doing, that's how you get the people there, through Pinterest, free traffic. And that's how we're using Ninja Pitter, because it's gonna speed up the process. And now I'm about to show you how I do it. So we're gonna show you what we're gonna do now. I'm gonna show you how I use Ninja Pitter and how I make it optimized best for SEO. And this is what I suggest you guys to do. You know what I'm saying, when you're using Ninja Pitter. So alright, so here we're on in the board, we're gonna auto pin, right? So I'm gonna show you how what I do and just follow suit. So I come here, I will go inside my upload folder, which is right here. And we're gonna do the graphics, right? Hit OK. So we're gonna fill out this screen right here, and see, you gotta have a title, description, and you gotta have a board you want to put it onto. So I'm gonna put it on, let's do hustle, mindset, and motivation, because that's what we're doing. And you want to have pin your URL, right? So let me come up with a description and a title right quick. So you gotta have all, you want to fill, you want to tell them where you getting the folder from. You want to, what location it is. You want to fill out the title, give it a dope description, start your Etsy hustle. You know what I'm saying? You want to give it some dope description, and then you always want to forward it someplace. You know what I'm saying? Right here. You always want to have a URL where you want to send it to, and then you want to pin it to your board. So I'm gonna show y'all what's going on. Check this out. So the bot, right? It's gonna upload from your computer, fill out the text. Let me just let it chill so you guys can see. Fill out the text. You know what I'm saying? Put whatever you want to put on there. Send it to the website. Do it. This is pretty dope. Now watch this. Published. You gotta take your time. You don't want to rush or nothing like that, because you don't want to look like spam. You know what I mean? Because you definitely can get hit with the spam and it'd be looking crazy. You know what I'm saying? So want to let it go. Sometimes it goes quick, sometimes it goes slow, but you just want to just let it flow. So check this out. Your pin is created. So now it's up there. And now look, now you got the seconds going off, how much time it's going to take. So it's got 45 seconds to intervals and go on to the next one. So while it's doing that, I'm going to talk to y'all about why you want to do this. The reason why you want to use Pinterest, Pinterest is a search engine with pictures on it, right? So you're posting all your content on wherever you want, and you want people to come to your website for free. How do you get them to do that? You use Pinterest. You come on here, and there's people on here that's looking for stuff in your niche, whatever you're selling, they looking to buy. And how they look for it? Because they looking on Pinterest, because Pinterest showing you what's the real deal. Where's the real deal at? And it's here on Pinterest. And look, it's about to do another one. So, and the dope thing about this too, man, I want y'all to see that, look, it's hands-free, I ain't doing nothing. You can go do other tasks. That's why you're using this. It helps you out, complete other tasks, because it's going to take you hours just to post 1,000 pins, you know what I'm saying? And you don't want to do that. You know what I mean? You want to be focusing on working on your website, trying to get other ways to do it. But what I'm saying is, the reason why you want to use Pinterest, Pinterest is so dope where, listen, man, search engine optimization is the way to go, man. You're getting free traffic. At the end of the day, listen, man, what I'm trying to tell you is, you're getting free traffic. Free traffic here on Pinterest, and you don't got to pay for it. And the reason why you want to use the bot, because the bot is helping you do the work that you don't need to do, hands-free. You know what I'm saying? So you post mad pins of pictures with the URL, this right here, using the URL, and it's all about that. Every time you do that, Pinterest love that, because they're going to use you and put you on their damn website, and you're going to get free traffic. Every time it's going to go down the wall, and you're going to get impressions. So think about this. If you do this over 1,000 times, you don't have to get 1,000,000 views on each pin. You can get 1,000 views 1,000 times. That's 1,000,000 views. You get what I'm saying? Just do the math. Now, if you are into what I'm talking about, you should understand what I'm saying, and you should know what the game is, what I'm saying. So now it's done. Now check this out. So I just posted 3 posts in 3 minutes, right? Check this out. Let me show you what happened. Where is that? So we're gonna go to my page. See, look, this is my page right here. Now look, see the post I just did? 1, 2, 3. Look at that. And then it tells you this right here, how many times people looked at it, how many times people saved it, and how many times people clicked the link. You know what I mean? Let me go down and show you the other ones that I've been posting, that I've been using, good examples of them. All of them, no, look, all of them, look at these, 4, 4, 4, 5. That shit go to adding up. Y'all don't think so? You don't think that go to adding up? 5, 5, 4, 4, 5, 5. Now these every day, 10, 10, 10, 9, 9. Just think about when you go to doing the math and you have thousands of these, those 10s, those 9s, those everything. Now look at these. These are a little bit better posts that I did. They're more attractive. You know what I'm saying? The more attractive you make the post, the more likely people are gonna come through. But you're using this Ninja Pinner to do it. That's what you're using this for. Now this is just a little small demo that I just wanted to show you guys what this is for. Now, if you want to learn more about it, you can just hit me up on my Patreon, man, and I'll give you some of this game. But yeah, man, I just wanted to show y'all, man, Ninja Pinner is pretty dope. And you want to learn more about it, man, you hit me up and I'll give you the link how you can get it for the Lowski. You know what I'm saying? And thank you for coming to my page. Peace.